I'm going to show you what I've been doing lately with the other pencil. Just basically filling my lid with it and blending it out. Because I really have been enjoying using this technique as a quick, add a quick makeup look type of thing when I'm in a hurry. I blend everything out, so I'm not too concerned with detail or structure. And I used to do the darker eyelids a lot when I was younger, and then I went all doing light lids with just dark crease and outer corners as I got older, but I've been having fun with this lately. And then usually I just take it up into the crease a bit as well, not too high because I'm going to blend it out. And then I take one of my more dense blender brushes and then just start on the lid, blending everything smoothly together and blending everything downwards until most of the product starts blending through like that, and then I slowly start blending it upwards just to get a nice one and done eyeshadow look with this. And under the eye as well. How gorgeous is that? Just a quick, and then I pop some eyeliner and lashes or mascara, and then I'm ready for a very quick eyeshadow look. Just want to blend it a bit higher up. And then I'm taking the black satin or eyeliner, and then a bit closer to the lash line I do a rough line. And I'm also going to smoke out a bit. And then I just take a dense brush. This is, I think it's like an eye smudger brush. And then I just smudge it out close to the lash line a bit, just to get a bit of a smoky effect. And then depending on whether I'm going out in the evening or whether I want a bit more of a natural look, I either do on the waterline on the inside or just here on the outermost, about a centimeter, like I'm lining now. Just a little bit that I'm going to smoke out too. I like doing in the waterline when I do falsies, because the waterline really deepens up my eyes, but it also makes it look smaller, so the falsies help open up the eye again. But if I'm only doing mascara, I try to do the darkest part a bit lower down, just so my eyes don't look as small. Okay, then from all these shades that they've sent me, I haven't really played with this golden one in the center yet. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to dab it here in the center of the lid. It's really pigmented. I thought it would be a little less busy. It's a good thing though. I just expected it to be a little more gentle. I don't really know why. I'm just taking that previous brush that I blended everything out with to blend those edges. I think I lost a bit of this darkness here now. I'm just taking that same brush I smoked the eyeliner with. I'm just smoking against the lash line again. I'm not adding any extra eyeliner. And I think that's a lovely, more wearable, everyday glam type of eyeshadow look. And then I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye.